Brussels sprouts. You either love them or hate them, but I'm going to show you a way to make Brussels sprouts taste so delicious it will convert almost anyone. Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer, and I want to warmly welcome you to Christine's Natural Kitchen, where I make healthy, plant-forward eating taste delicious. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to find out about new recipe videos as they come out every week. Now let me show you how easy it is to roast Brussels sprouts. So to cut your Brussels sprouts, you just want to nip off the end and remove any bad leaves from the outside. And then just slice it in half right up the center. I've placed all the cut Brussels sprouts in an 8x8 pan, but if you want them a little crispier, you can put them in a shallow layer on a baking sheet. I just don't like to get mine too crispy personally, that's just a personal preference. Okay, and now we're going to drizzle it lightly with some olive oil. This is about a tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of sea salt, some black pepper, and a generous half teaspoon of onion powder. You can add up to a teaspoon if you like, and you can also add some garlic powder if you like. I'm also going to add a little bit of fresh thyme, but you can use whatever herbs you like, or you can just skip the herbs. It tastes really good just with the salt, pepper, and onion powder. But this is about half a teaspoon of some fresh thyme leaves. Then just mix it together a little bit gently with your hands. And now we're going to roast these in a 400-degree preheated oven. And these will roast in the oven for about 25 minutes. So now your Brussels sprouts should be nice and fork tender. If you want them even a little softer, you can put them in longer, but I find that's just the right amount of time. And if you'd like, you can squeeze them with a little fresh lemon juice or sprinkle them with some apple cider vinegar for a little tang. Wasn't that fun and easy? Comment below your favorite way to prepare Brussels sprouts. I would love to hear. And maybe this recipe will become your new favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.